Welcome to the Roblox Rivals 2026 new update. In this video, I'm revealing all new verified and working codes available right now. These codes unlock free keys, weapon skins, wraps, and exclusive rewards. Some are limited time, so use them fast. Watch till the end. There's one hidden secret code many players will miss. Giveaway entry, comment your Roblox username below. If any code doesn't work, comment again. I help active viewers. Like this video, subscribe to Easy Solution 76. Turn on notification bell 2026 New Rivals Update. Includes new weapon skins, new maps and modes, exclusive wraps, competitive rewards. These new codes will help you unlock free keys, get rare skins, progress faster, gain competitive advantage. Now get ready. Let's start with all working codes for Roblox Rivals 2026.